I'm Dagwood Streets, and I like to film motorcycles in slow motion. Since I own the Canon R8, which I'm filming on right now, and the Canon XA70, I thought I would do a comparison. This video you're about to see is only the XA70. If you go to the Dagwood's Thailand channel, you'll be able to see a number of videos that I made using the Canon R8. Why are they similar? Well, 1080p, 120 frames per second on both of them. The R8, I'm using a 24 to 240 focal length, whereas the XA70 has 25.5 to 382.5. So, I mean, close, right? And turns out that the full frame of the Canon R8 has a better slow motion than the Canon XA70. And the Canon XA70, by the way, has much better video than the Osmo Pocket 3, which is also a 1-inch sensor. The price between the Canon R8 and the XA70 is pretty close, because it's $2,200 for the Canon XA70 and $1,200 for the Canon R8 body and another $850 for the lens. So you're talking close. The thing that's cool about a camcorder is you're not carrying around extra lenses. The reason it's kind of long is because the lens extends and retracts inside of the body. Yeah. If you're watching this, you're probably interested in the XA70, and you can see these videos if they're good enough for you, what you want to use them. They're for, you know, your use case scenario. If they're usable for you, then I use the word use a lot. At least I didn't say utilize. Then maybe the XA70 is for you. I think, considering the light and the distance I was shooting at and the circumstances on a gray day and all that kind of stuff, that the XA70 is outstanding. I think the slow motion video, even in low light, was not bad. It just is not as good as a full frame camera, which is to be expected. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in Thailand or want to see more slow motion motorcycles, watch the Dagwood's Thailand channel.